So we're going to look at this tutorial, and we're taking this picture here, and I've done 4 little drawings. They're not great drawings, but it's just to map out the colours so that we can do some colour studies and see which looks more interesting. So we're going to start with the first one, which will be just using the pastels that are the colour you see in the photo. Then we're going to do the next one, which will be analogous colours, and they are colours that are next to each other on the colour wheel, so it gives a certain kind of harmony. The next one is going to be using complementary colours, so colours opposite each other on the colour wheel. And then the final one, we're going to do something a bit more complex and layer some complementaries over each other and some warm and cools to see how much, let's say, complexity that gives to the drawings.